I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your phone number from Bell to Virgin Canada, follow these steps to make the process smooth and hassle-free. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before you start the porting process, ensure your number is eligible for transfer. You can do this by checking with both Bell and Virgin Canada. Step 2. Gather information. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Initiate the porting request. Go to a Virgin Canada store or visit their website to initiate the porting request. Provide the required information and specify that you want to keep your existing number. Step 4. Confirm the porting process. Once you've submitted your request, you should receive a confirmation from Virgin Canada. This may take a few hours to a couple of days. Keep an eye on your email for updates. Step 5. Complete the setup. After your number is successfully ported, set up your Virgin Canada account and ensure your new SIM card is working. If you encounter issues, try restarting your phone. Switching carriers can be a bit daunting, but following these steps should help you transition smoothly. If you run into any hiccups, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance. Good luck with your new service.